another song. This song, I think I've known this song since I was very young. Let us count them. 1, 2. So how many hands do we have? 2. How many hands do we have? 2. Okay. I have 2 hands. Okay, ready? Sing. I have 2 hands, the left and the right. Hold them up high, so clean and bright. Clap them softly, 1, 2, 3. Cleanly their hands are good to see. Okay, are your hands clean? Are your hands clean? Let me see. Are your hands clean? Yes? Yes, they are clean. Are your hands clean? Yes, they are. Are your hands clean? Yes. Let me see your hands, baby. Are they clean? Yes. Let me see your hands, Samantha. Are your hands clean? Lahat ng mga kamay natin dito, tigdadalawa. 2, 1, 2. Okay. Yung hands mo ba? 3? No. 2. Okay. Now, let us see it again. I have 2 hands. Come on, boys. Gonna type and then I'm gonna let you to play with the toys. Okay, the teachers will take out the toys from there. Tapos mag-play muna tayo. Okay? I have 2 hands. Ready? Sing! I have 2 hands, the left and the right. Hold them up high, so clean and bright. Clap them softly, 1, 2, 3. Cleanly their hands are good to see. Hi, Marcella, what are you doing? Hi.